Ever fumbled for cash while staring down a line of impatient people? Or maybe you're tired of carrying a bulky wallet. If you're nodding along, then mobile payments are probably your new best friend. But with so many options out there, can you use mobile pay with Lunar? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of cashless convenience. Lunar is a popular financial app that lets you manage your money, invest, and even get rewarded for spending. Sounds pretty cool, right? But the question on everyone's mind is, can this all-in-one app replace your physical wallet for everyday purchases? The answer depends on what mobile pay means to you. If you're thinking of services like Apple Pay or Google Pay, then the answer is currently no. Lunar doesn't integrate directly with those platforms yet. However, fear not, because Lunar offers its own mobile payment solution. Lunar's mobile payment solution. Here's the exciting part. Lunar has its very own mobile payment method called Lunar Pay. It allows you to pay for goods and services directly from your Lunar app at participating merchants. Think of it as a virtual debit card linked to your Lunar account. Using Lunar Pay is super easy. Just open the Lunar app, find the Pay section, and scan the merchant's QR code. Confirm the amount and voila! Payment is complete, all within seconds and without needing to whip out your phone or cash. Benefits of Lunar Pay. So, why choose Lunar Pay over traditional methods? Here are a few reasons. Convenience. No more fumbling for cash or searching for your debit card. Just scan and pay. Security. Transactions are encrypted and require your Lunar PIN for added security. Tracking. Keep track of your spending easily through the Lunar app. No more wondering where all your cash went. Finding merchants that accept Lunar Pay. Alright, Lunar Pay sounds fantastic, but where can you actually use it? The good news is that Lunar is constantly expanding its network of partner merchants. You can find a list of participating stores directly within the Lunar app. Alternatives to Lunar Pay. Let's say you're at a store that doesn't accept Lunar Pay yet. No worries. Here are some alternative ways to pay with your Lunar account. Instant transfers. If the merchant has a bank account, you can send them an instant transfer directly through the Lunar app. Just make sure they provide their account details. Bill payments. For recurring bills, you can set up bill payments within the Lunar app, ensuring you never miss a payment again. While Lunar doesn't currently integrate with major mobile pay platforms, its native Lunar Pay solution offers a convenient and secure way to pay for everyday purchases. With growing acceptance and alternative methods like instant transfers, Lunar can still be your go-to app for ditching the wallet and embracing the cashless future. Call to action. Have you tried Lunar Pay? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new to Lunar, why not give it a go? You might just find it's the financial app you've been waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.